Most of the people are interested in other people's lives. Now you really need to go. Go! Hello everyone, this is Malini and you're watching Mal's vlog. Yeah, that's the name of the channel. You might be wondering why Mal's? What is Mal's? Yeah, but that's the name that people call me. They either call me Malu or they call me Mal's, and I preferred taking up that name, Mal's, as the vlog name. If you ask me why the blog, okay, so I have been blogging or writing reviews and of products or food and everything for a very long time, around 6-7 years maybe, okay, but I have never put it into a video format. And what better time than this lockdown period where you're rotting at COVID, it is lockdown and what not. So this was a right time for me to actually start a vlog because I had nothing to do at home. I was eating my husband's brain. That's how I started. So he's my biggest motivation to do whatever I do in life, and he's given me an upper hand to go ahead and do whatever I want. Okay, so that's a big. There are like a zillion vlogs, I understand, but this I'm sure you'll find it interesting because it's about food. More food, a lot of food, and food. What do you think about that? Well, it's not only going to be about food, obviously, because you all are going to get bored and then you're going to tell me, okay, why so much of food? Well, it's not only going to be about food, it's going to be about, but I'll also be reviewing products, movies, life events, anything that you're interested. Most of the people are interested in other people's lives, so I'm going to also cover about life events. Not that too much is happening in my life, but yeah, at least get to see whatever is happening in my life. Especially during this COVID lockdown time, I don't know what might happen in my life. So let's see what all we can cover. To talk about a little about myself, well, I am from Trivandrum, Kerala. Yes, I'm a true proud Mallu. I'm a Mallu. Yeah, so that's one of my favorite songs. I love everything about being a Malayali, okay? So you might be wondering, Anna pinna avakku Malayalathil samsarichude? Well, this is a multilingual channel. So I'll be talking in English, I'll be talking in Malayalam, I'll be talking in Hindi, I'll be talking in Kannada. No, well, I'm not going to talk in Kannada. My husband will talk in Kannada and Tamil because I'm not very fluent in that. For the last 10 years, we have been in Bangalore. Yeah, last 10 years. I have no clue how I have been in Bangalore for the last 10 years because I thought I'm only going to survive 1 year. Then it became 2, 5, 7 and now it's the 10th year. 2020 is the 10th year and what a year is it? I have no clue. I hope this lockdown ends soon, but yeah, because of the lockdown, I get to start this vlog. So, see, the best thing you can do is to actually comment on what I should be doing. Yes, I am going to give you the right to tell me what I should be doing in my life. So if you want me to do anything in specific, that is if you want me to try out a recipe in specific or you want me to review a particular restaurant, let me know. I'm more than open to take up your suggestions and vlog those for you. So this is my basic idea. What I want you guys to do is to please subscribe, comment and like and press the bell icon. Can you believe it? I got all those in one line. I used to watch so many YouTube videos, but I had no idea that I could do this here. So, well, that's what you have to do. Watch my videos, support me, tell me what you want me to vlog about, and I'll be more than happy to do it for you. So, that's all for now. If you want to know more about me, follow me on my Insta Mal's Vlog or on Facebook, and you will get to know about the small details that I do on a regular basis. So, follow my channel. Support me. Signing off for now. This is Malini in Mal's Vlogs and see you soon. Bye. Now you really need to go. 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 Go.